the prize for the most stress this morning goes to Harry in House 1. And it's hardly surprising given A, their yard is double the size of their neighbours,
We have the biggest yard of everyone. Our front yard is our backyard.
and B, the state of their budget.
Scotty gave us $25,000 to do our front garden this week.
I won't lie to you, I'm concerned. We desperately need to win this.
We've never needed to win as much as we do right now.
To be honest, I'm at a loss. I'm just sort of in a daze at the moment. There is so much happening, just so much that needs to be done. It's sort of, it's too much. It's just too much. So let's paint the picture, all right? The rest of the arch need to be built. That's about 5-6 hours of work. And it's in the walkway where they needed to build a deck. The rest of the deck.
The biggest deck.
The biggest deck. And then we needed to install a fretwork, 2 balconies, the balustrading, the planting, water systems, lights.
The grass needs to go in.
And painting all in a day.
One day.
Oh, wow. Bloody mayhem. Hey? This is the worst I've seen it.
But this next few hours is going to determine whether you finish or not.
Look, I agree. I need all that, you know that bag we put all the concrete and the cement in, all that? I need that, that's urgent. What happens? The material we need to build the archway wasn't there, wasn't delivered.
What's wrong, mate? What are you after?
I've got sand, no sand cement been delivered.
What do you mean?
No sand cement been delivered.
Did you order it?
Yeah, well, I spoke to him about...
Rick? What's
We
this?
were down there, this isn't mine. I mean, he's delivered the crushed rock,
Is this for the arches?
Yes.
We still haven't poured that.
No.
What's going on?
And that's, yeah, I had Bricky sitting around for 3 hours doing nothing, and that's costing us money.
Oh.
So, you know, it's, yeah.
We're not going to get this done.